Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is a third video of a series of soloing using single notes from the triads that we learned previously on the chord progressions of G, D, E minor, and C. So just play the blue notes on string number 1 to solo using these chord progressions. So here we go. Okay, using string number 1, the blue note, fret number 3. This will be played for the G, and then slide up to fret number 5 to play the D, and then slide back down to the 3rd fret to play the E minor, and then just play the 1st string open for the C. So again, it's fret number 3, 5, back to 3, then open. Okay, so let's play through with the backing track. Okay, for position 3 on the 1st string, we're going to play the G on the 7th fret, 1st string, and then for the D, slide up to fret number 10, then for the E minor, back down to fret 7, and then for the C, just 1 fret, fret number 8, so it's 7, 10, back to 7, and then 8, okay? So let's play through that. Okay, now let's combine it with the 1st position. play on the 5th fret starting off for the G, and then slide down to the fret number 10 for the D, then for the E minor, slide back up to the 15th fret again, and then for the C to the 12th fret. So it's 15, 10, back up to 15, 12 for the C. So let's play through that one time. Start with fret 15. 12. 10. Okay, now let's put all three positions together, just using the whole notes or beat number 1. We're starting off with fret 3. One more time. Hey guys, good job. I hope you enjoyed this 3-lesson video on how to play single note solos taken from the triads. So do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. So have a great day. God bless you.